my gosh. Portrayed the scene really well. Just oh my gosh. How are they not laughing? Gosh, she really looks like the girl from the webtoon. Can't wait for the transformation. Oh no 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 no. Oh my gosh. No way is at the end. Oh my gosh. 3/4. Oh my gosh. 인주야. Oh. 내가 여신이라고? Wow. Oh yeah, they don't know each other. Oh. 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 Ah, that's her friend. Sua? Oh my gosh. No. No. No 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 no. Ah no. I'm gonna try something a bit ambitious. I'm gonna try doing all the members. NCT 127. I've never done like 9 members or 9 people in general. I've just been doing like solo pictures. So let's try this. So today I'm just going to be doing some editing for my studio vlog. Don't mind the screen. I also have this cake, or this, what is this? A muffin cupcake? I think it's pandan flavor. If you're Philo, you know what it is, but I think if you're not Philo, you pronounce it like pandan. Don't focus on my face. It's green and fluffy. I'm gonna be editing. So fluffy. And also earlier, I got my silhouette. I can still eat because I'm gonna use these 2 fingers. Hey Google. Stop. Thank you. How come you can't see anything? There. I just finished making this thumbnail for my first studio vlog. If you haven't watched it already, you can go click that. I'll link it in the cards. And it's gonna go live right now. Okay. Public. Oh my gosh. Boop. And it is now live. I'm gonna watch to see what it looks like on YouTube because I haven't watched it yet actually. Let's go. Looks so good.